Here we are. Now, where are the lifeguards? No, can't see them anywhere. Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hello, Joe.
I'm Claire.
Hi, Kian.
Hello, Kian. We need to make our deliveries.
Will you help us?
Yes.
Great, let's go.
Oh, I forgot. What was on the list?
Perfect.
Ah, yes. I'll check my Dizzy Deliveries device. Yes. A bucket, a spade, and an ice cream.
Perfect.
What do you need them for?
Let me show you. Come on. No, Joe. You put sand in the bucket with a spade.
Oh, wait here. Oh. Here, a spade.
Joe.
No, Joe. You're big.
Too big?
Yeah.
I know what to do.
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Now we're going to make a sand castle.
Hands up. Hands up. I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah.
I couldn't.
Claire, we had to deliver 3 items. A bucket, a spade, and an ice cream.
Joe.
Joe.
Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe. I'm Sarah, and this is Joey.
Hello, Joey.
Hi.
That sounds like my name.
Yeah.
We need to make our deliveries. Will you help us?
Yes.
Yes, you're a lovely cow, and I have a delivery for you. Some grass. Ah, hello, I'm Joe.
I am Elliot. This is my coat, Ed. My coat is silly. I love sports.
Good, because I'm an athlete.
Good. I'm playing basketball.
No! I'm really good at basketball too, Elliot. This ball is broken! It's broken. Don't worry. My second delivery. Wait here.
This ball is the same.
No, this ball is good. Look. Hello, Ava. I'm Joe.
Hi.
And who are you?
I'm Neil,
Hi, Neil.
the ice cream maker.
I love ice cream.
I have lots of ice cream. Chocolate,
Thank you. Ava, you have chocolate ice cream. What color is chocolate? Brown.
we have no spoons.
Spoons? My third delivery. Wait here. Spoons.
Spoons are too big.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Spoons. Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Thank you for all your help. Bye. Where is the skate park? Hello, I'm Joe. Hello, Sonny. The skate park is closed.
Do you want to go skating?
Yes, I have a board.
You have no trucks.
No trucks for the wheels on the skateboard.
My second delivery. Wait here. Trucks.
I don't think they're the right trucks, Joe. I think they're the trucks you need, man.
Trucks.
Yes, Joe. Same as these ones. Oh, man.
Evan put the trucks and wheels on my skateboard, and now I'm ready to skate.